This is officially Cassie. Hi guys, this is officially Cassie. And today we're making mini slime. I'm really funny. So let's go open it. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Ta-da! Now we have all our ingredients. So this is rainbow styrofoam beads and white little styrofoam beads, and also iridescent glitter, and also this is silver star glitter, and also a shiny, and also gems, and sugar cookie scent. Ta-da! And now I'm gonna tell you all these colors. This is pink, this is red, this is light pink, and this is red, and this is orange, and this is neon yellow, and this is green, and this is light blue. This is teal, and also this is a kind of blue teal. And this is indigo, and this is violet, and this is dark pink, and this is clear, and this is white, and this is black. And these are all slimes that I told you with the colors. And also, now we're gonna do all of this. So exciting! First I'm gonna do the pink slime, look. And also I'm gonna do this rainbow styrofoam beads, and also I'm gonna put this what is it called? Sugar cookie scent. First I'm gonna put the sugar cookies. What? Ah! Don't worry, we can still put it in. Not Poppy! I remember that from Toll's holiday. Oh, that smells extra good. Sticky, wobbly, 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 wobbly. So I can see. Look. We just made a bubble. True there. It's see-through too. Woo, guys! I can't see you. Put it on the camera. No, I can't put it on the camera. Put it on the camera. Made a butterfly, guys. Look. Next one is the red one. No! I need some scent to this. Look. It's slime. Ooh. got a mustache. Skipping, slimy, little rope. It's so big. Look at this, Mommy. Look at this big.
Whoa.
What does... I made a pointy nose.
Pointy nose.
Who do you think this is from the new movie?
I don't know. Charming?
No.
Who is
No,
it?
from the new movie. The other one. The first one.
Oh, I don't know.
It's called Soul, remember? Somebody...
Oh, I forget his name. The guy that was looking for everyone. The guy that was
Gary.
Gary. Yes. Is that Gary?
Yeah. But I forgot to put the eyes.
You did a good job.
Yeah, that's enough. Is this enough stars, Mommy? Sure, yeah. The next color is the orange. Next, we're gonna do yellow. Bubble. Get out. Whoa, I had all of them.
Whoa, that's so cool.
So that must be a lot of them. Guys, do you like my this slime that I made? It's yellow and also it got everything in there. Look. See? It got everything. See? I can ruffle all of these. The next one I'm doing is green. Oh. It sounds like Donald Duck.
No, Kassie. Close it, close it.
I can't. There's a lot. Guys. Okay, guys, ooze. Ooh. Lexi Wixie. It's icky wicky. Look at this. It's a giant. It's a giant. Now I want to do this one! I'm gonna put in the ears and glitter. We can see now. We can see it now. Okay, now lips.
Does it smell good?
Yeah. Do you guys want to smell some? It's very good. It smells so good. Smell. Did you smell that? It was so good, right? It very was. Wow. Right? It's very... It's stretched. It breaks. I break... Slime doesn't like containers.
Good job.
Next is indigo. Wow, lovely. Add some pixie dust.
Some pixie dust.
Pixie dust.
Whoa.
Some pixie dust to this.
That's really pretty.
Yeah, and also it's my pixie dust and it can make me fly.
That's so pretty.
Thank you. I really like it so much because it's my own slime to make.
Good job, Cassie.
This is one of my favorites. Guys, do you like my nighttime slime? Do you like it? Do you like it? Click down below if you like it. And click the bell button if you like my videos. Next one is the purple. Purple is my favorite color. You can see it. My favorite color is in my hand. Slime. Now let's go open this top. Blub, blub. Mommy, look. Blub, 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 blub. Stretch. Blub, blub, blub. add some drops to this. I'm gonna add some drops. That was too much. Look, guys, now I add gems to it. Now look at this. Look. Now next is my other favorite color. It's pink. Now let's go open it. Oh, blub, 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 blub. Oh, flat. Now we put a scent. Look at the bubble, Mommy.
Pop it.
Pop. Let's go make a smiley face now. These are the eyes. This is the mouth. There. Ta-da! Look at my a happy face. My happy face. Look at my happy face, guys. You see my happy? Yes. Can I pick it up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no! I'm breaking it!
Here you go.
Ruined it face. We need to add ingredients. Pop, pop. Oh, that's a lot of beads. That's a lot of this thing. Whoa, a lot of... This looks like one of my shapes that I learned.
What is it?
It is spear.
Good job.
Why is there so many spears in here?
The spear is a ball.
Look, guys, I put spears in here. It's a spear. Oh, pop. It looks like in a picture in a frame.
In a picture frame.
Ah! I'm gonna do the clear one next. That's a little bit too much, but still too crazy. Oh, too much! Too much!
Oh no, grab it!
Grab them! Grab them! It's a girl! Really? Poopy! It's so beautiful. I'm loving this. Yay! Oh my goodness. That was too much fun. want to do the white one next. Did you hear that? It made a fart sound.
Okay. Which one do you want to put in?
The gems.
The gems. Awesome. It's a good choice.
Yeah, that was a good choice. Look at this, guys. Whoa. Ay, ay. Oh, I can see you. Guys, do you like how I did this slime? Comment down below and subscribe for more videos. Like and subscribe for more videos. See, you can see the black one right there. It's flattened. Guys, now I just hidden some of them and now look. Whee! Slime, slimy. Pokey. And now poke, poke. Ta-da! Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!